Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2018 Keystone, Montana, model 3700 LK. It's a rear kitchen fifth wheel with 4 slide outs. You see the front, big fiberglass cap here with the LED lights, and of course, Montana in bas relief right there on the front. Not only is it going to protect your investment for years to come, but it's also one of the tightest turning radiuses in the industry. Also, the Road Armor Trail Air hitch pin, it's going to give you a nicer tow. Look at the storage compartment, massive. And of course you can see a good example of aluminum frame construction. These are the thicker walls. They do have the 4-season insulation. Even the doors are 1 inch thick. You can see the built-in back there. We'll look at that inside too. It has the step above steps. These are so stable, just like the name implies. You're not going to feel like you're on a diving board here. And here's the model 3700 LK 4-season. You got to remember, if you go south, you want that 4-season insulation to stay cool. If you go north, you're going to want it to stay warm. 6 jacks, count them, 1, 2, 3. The same with the other side. 6 jacks, much more stable platform. Compartments that go inside for storage compartments. We have a built-in ladder on the back, as well as being camera ready. And it also has a receiver hitch, so you can bring the generator, the bicycles, that sort of thing. Outside shower. And of course, here's the back side. Do you notice the frameless windows? Much nicer. You can open them when it's raining and water won't come inside, and they just work better. More functional for RV lifestyle. Let's take a look at the interior. See what keeps making Montana the #1 fifth wheel in North America. Remember that outside back? Well, if you sweep your dirt in the corner, this little kick here, that sucks that dirt right out. Notice the light came on too, just so cool. Control panel right here when you walk in. Deep storage right above it. Coat rack, key rack, all right when you walk in. Of course, wired for solar, ready to roll. But here we are, unique floor plan. 3 sofas, 1 with theater seating, and of course guests sleeping in the sofa beds. We have a giant television, Insignia flat panel with a fireplace underneath, electric fireplace. Of course, the stereo sound. We've got cabinets, glass cabinet panels overhead. Notice the hidden hinges, just a little extra nice touch. All the slide outs have this custom trim, and you'll notice above it, see the light accent all around the ceiling. Speaking of ceilings, 5 inches thick, vented, super insulation, LED lights. Our theater seating here, electric seats, yes, and of course cup holders built right in. Look at these countertops, so clean looking, and the backsplash, simulated tile, or maybe it is, yeah, it feels like tile. These have the pop-up power strips. If you want to plug in an appliance, it's that easy. Stainless covers over your dual basin sink, the gooseneck fountain. Big window right here, love it. Roll up shades. We have built-in wine rack. And of course, Montana's known for all their cabinetry. We have a, looks like a little restaurant back here. It's Furrion oven with a stove over the top and the big hood, just like you'd see in a commercial enterprise. Huge high point microwave. Lots of pantry storage. This is as close to a super nice home as you can get one of these RVs. 4-door refrigerator, yep. Freestanding dinette. Also has a little power strip here. Windows surrounding so you can see everywhere. And of course, that's kind of unique because it does fold away for travel rather than having the whole chair and everything bouncing around there. And look at all the pots and pan storage below. Incredible. The flooring, the light interior, it's just cutting edge styling. Let's go up front into the bedroom. Have the door open already. King size bed, padded headboard, windows on both sides. We got a mirrored closet door here. Notice how they've put the stack shelf in here with a plug-in inside and lighted. And if you're wanting a washer dryer, no problem. We've got the hookup right there. Or turn it into wardrobe storage. Built-in dresser right in front of the window, and another flat panel TV above. Lastly, but not leastly, the bathroom. The famous Keystone swivel door, so you can enter from either direction. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Huge shower stall, one of the biggest in the industry, with a skylight over the top. Sink, vanity mirror, keeping the same solid surface countertop. Storage, and lots of drawers. Even room for your linens, that sort of thing, which most of them really don't think about. It's a 2018 3700 LK, and it's right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay. 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.